I'm going to demonstrate the rack scan capability of the Asset View Inventory tool. If you work in a data center and you wanted to scan a rack or a technology room and look at the contents of that rack, whether it be with barcodes or RFID tags, I would scan that rack and within seconds would appear an elevation that would show me the contents that were found within the rack and the status of those contents. So green means that everything is good, nothing has changed. It's where it's expected to be. Yellow means that that asset needs some attention. It requires a verification. And red means that that asset is missing or not found. You can quickly see that in the dashboard at the top of the screen. In addition to the front of the rack, you can also see contents in the rear of the rack. And you'll notice to the right on the screen, we have the data points associated with the asset. These data points have what we call user-defined fields, where a user can define such fields as when their warranty expirations or status of that asset or ownership of that asset, things of that nature, and save that with the record as well. You also have a history of every scan that was ever done to that particular asset, as well as a history of every change that was made to the asset, who made the change, and what the nature of that change was. And that is the rack scan feature of the Asset View Inventory tool.